Alright, it looks like DJI fans may finally have something new to look forward to in the world of mobile gimbals. Rumors have been circling around the possibility of an Osmo Mobile 7 launch. The Osmo Mobile 6 has been holding it down as a solid option in smartphone stabilizers, but a successor may be in the works. What are we looking at? Well, there are hints of additional modules and even a Pro variant. DJI seems to be getting ready to take things up a notch. So, let's break it down. Back in September 2023, a well-known leaker, Quadro News, spotted Osmo Mobile 7 references in DJI's own apps, sparking speculation that a new model was in the pipeline. But despite a flurry of other DJI releases since then, there's been radio silence on the Osmo Mobile 7 until now. Thanks to recent info from insiders Jasper Ellens and Mauro Tandoi, we've got an update that may be more than just a rumor. According to new screenshots, DJI has officially certified the Osmo Mobile 7 with the FCC in the US, which usually means a release is imminent. And here's where it gets interesting. There's talk of a mysterious OM Multifunctional Module and an Osmo Mobile 7P, suggesting that DJI could be planning a versatile lineup this time. While the FCC hasn't dropped any images of the Osmo Mobile 7 yet, these new certifications have sparked plenty of excitement. If this follows the usual pattern, we could see more leaks rolling in soon. So, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll keep you in the loop on all the Osmo Mobile 7 details as they come out.